Hello, hello, everyone. Welcome back to Speak English Confidently podcast. Another week, another English term to learn. And for today, once again, we are with three of our friends. We have John. Hello, John.
Hi.
Hello, Erwin. Hi.
Hello.
Hi, Arvin.
Hi.
Thanks for joining us tonight. We will now learn the term Saved by the Bell. Have you guys heard of this term before? Have you guys used this?
Yes.
Yes, yes.
Because I remember I used this before, like when I was in grade school. Okay, and it's time for recitation. So it's recitation time, it's reporting time. And I'm the next one. I'm next in line. And then all of a sudden, the bell rang. So I was like, ooh, Saved by the Bell. I'm gonna be rescheduled for the next session. So pretty much that's what it means for me. It says here, the phrase is used, okay, in other setting that someone or something was saved by a last minute intervention. So right now, let us pronounce the term, shall we? Arvin, would you like to pronounce the term for us? Let's hear it first.
Yes.
Say, Saved by the Bell.
Okay, Arvin, we are gonna record this. You just have to repeat the term. Are you ready?
Yes, I'm ready.
In 3, 2, 1, go.
Saved by the Bell.
Let's see his result, guys. Let us see his result. And he got an excellent grade. Yay! See, perfection. And you can only see the breakdown just like this if you have the premium. What do you
Version.
call this? A premium account. Okay. Now let's go to the next one. Let's go for Joanne. Are you ready, Joanne? Yes.
Yes.
Perfect. So says here, great work. You are telling your boss how their sudden appearance helped you deal with with a difficult client. So how do you respond to this? Let us see. Would you like a professional one or the casual one?
Let's go for the casual one.
Let's go for the casual one. In 3, 2, 1, go.
Woo! Talk about being saved by the bell. I didn't know what to do until you showed up.
Oh, do you like the
Ah.
feelings? Do you feel the confidence? The woo?
Yeah.
Oh, did you get that?
Are you feeling any pressure? Wow, excellent.
Excellent.
Wow.
Congratulations. Oh, you like it?
You
Guys, you
can
like
see we're
it?
improving.
Oh, diba? Oh, it's the term of Erwin now. Pasabog. Good. Your coworker is talking about how far behind on his work he is when the building experiences a power outage. Okay, you see that intervention right there? Okay, Erwin, which one would you like to use?
Let's use the professional one.
Professional one. Okay, let's do that in 3, 2, 1, go.
That is a good timing. You were saved by the bell.
Let's see the result. You see how we use the term? You were saved by the bell. Okay. Let's see. Or else his boss was about to find out that he's still behind the task. Excellent. Congratulations, Erwin. Are you guys confident to use this term already, guys? Yes?
Yes, of
I mean, we've
course.
been using this, right? It can be used for games. I mean, for any like work related or school related stuff. So I hope you guys find confidence as well when it comes to using this term. All you have to do is to keep on practicing it. And what I use right here is Flow, which is an AI tool that will help you with your conversational English. No shame, no hassle. You can use it through your phone as well. All you have to do is, Erwin, how do they get the Flow account?
By clicking down below the link.
Yes, click the link below. Okay. Guys, thank you so much for joining us tonight. Okay. Did you guys enjoy? Yes?
Yes,
Yes.
Yes.
Perfect. And next week, what
we're
are we going to learn,
improving.
Erwin? What term are we going to learn next week?
Okay, it's going to be head into the game.
Headed to the game?
Head into the
Oh,
game.
head into the game. Let's see. Let's
Yes.
see. It's like a basketball term, right?
Yeah,
It's
it's
like a
more, I
basketball
think
term.
it's a sports term.
Yes, but let's see what it means and how to use it next week in this episode and the next episode in Speak English Confidently podcast. See you there, guys. Bye.
Bye, guys.
O, pongala, last one, te. Ano
Click
ba?
down the link below. The link. What?
Okay, ang dami mo. At saka walang down below. Below lang te. Pungala ka. Anong term dahil?
Head
Head
into the game.
into the oh head in the game.
Head into the game. Ah! Nasa podcast
Head
plan kasi
by
yun
the
eh.
game.
Head in the game.
Bakla parang ito yung dahil. Okay.
Feeling ko din. Ito kasi nasa ano eh.
Pag
Content plan natin.
sinabing head in the game, pay attention or focus. Okay? In 3, 2, 1, go. Hello, 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 and welcome to Speak English Confidently podcast. Welcome once again. It's a new week. It's a new term to learn this week. Okay, last week we learned about the term. What was the term again, Erwin? Sorry, I forgot.
It's head in the game.
No,
Or do you mean
this
last
week
week?
we had the game, but last week was
Saved by the
Saved by the
bell.
bell. Yeah.
But this week we will learn about the term head in a game. Okay, but first let me just introduce our friends here. We have John. Hi again, John. Thanks for joining us again.
Hi.
Hi, Erwin. Hello.
Hello.
And Arvin, welcome to
Hello.
Speak English Confidently podcast. And once again, let us learn the term head in a game. Have you guys heard about this term before? Arvin, have you heard about this term before?
Not really.
Not really. You haven't used it before?
No.
Okay, because when you say, based on experience, when you say head in the game, it means you pay attention or focus on something. It means pay attention or focus on something. Makes sense? Head in the game.
Head
Focus.
focus.
Let you guys do this also. Focus. Head in the game. Yes, very good, children. So let us practice this, shall we? Would you like to start, Joanne? Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay, it says here, first, let's practice. Say, keep your head in the game or get your head in the game. You just have to, repeat the term, keep
Keep
until
your-
the end. Okay?
Mhm.
Ready?
Okay.
3, 2, 1,
Yes.
go.
Keep your head in the game or get your head in the game.
Let's see your score.
Furious.
They're rating her. The AI is rating her right now. Excellent.
Excellent.
What's wrong with the fluency? Let's see. Grammar is correct, I think. I believe that the grammar is correct. But how you were able to pronounce the terms such as your, in, the, or, and your, again, are the words that we need to emphasize more, it means. But congratulations, good job. You know what? I haven't heard from Arvin for a long time. Let's get him to do the next one. Shall we, Arvin? Are you ready for this?
Yes, I'm ready.
All right, nice. Your work partner is having trouble focusing on their tasks. Encourage them to redirect their attention. Okay, you have to encourage them to redirect their attention. Are you ready? Yeah.
Yeah,
Which response? Oh, sorry, guys. Which response would you like to use?
I'm gonna try casual.
Casual. Okay, let's hear that first.
Hey man, get your head in the game and ignore the other stuff.
Hey man, get your head in the game and ignore the other stuff. Okay, are you ready for this, Arvin?
Yeah, I'm ready.
Let's do this in 3, 2, 1, go.
Hey man, get your head in the game and ignore the other stuff.
Did you feel the confidence? Did you feel the confidence, guys? Do you like it, Arvin? You like it?
Furious.
Yeah.
Yeah, you like
I
it?
like it.
Let's look at the. Oh, you got an
Oh,
excellent score. Very, very nice. Oh, you like it? Oh, very good. Congratulations. Okay. It's Erwin's turn. Are you ready for this, Erwin? Are you ready right now?
Let's go. Let's go.
Okay, let us see, because you don't have a choice. Erwin, you're having a hard time getting started on a task. Your coworker asked how things are going. Erwin, how do you respond to this? Which one would you use?
I'll try to be casual.
Want to be casual? Okay, let's hear that first.
To be honest, I'm dealing with a lot personally, but I will get my head in the game and finish on time.
Are you ready for this, Erwin? Yeah? Yes?
Feels like it is something that I'm currently feeling right now. But let's
Oh,
go.
is this what you're feeling right now? Oh my gosh, Erwin, that is okay. In 3, 2, 1, go.
To be honest, I'm dealing with a lot personally, but I will get my head in the game and finish on time.
Ah, congratulations. I feel it. I feel that you're really going through this right now.
Oh,
Congratulations, Aussie, because it's really happening in your life right now, and it's excellent. It means it's really true. Oh my
Yes.
gosh, we finished the lesson again. Congratulations, everybody. We just had
Great.
finished the term head of the game. Did you guys learn a lot from this session? Yes?
Yes.
Yes.
Are you gonna try using this already, starting this week?
Most of the time, I think.
Ooh.
Okay, because I'm gonna use this all the time. I have to remind myself. Jam head in the game. Head in the
Head in
game.
the game.
Because I
With the action thing.
Let's head in. Right. Okay. Thank you so much, guys. If you're wondering what app or software we use for this, we use Flow. Okay, which is linked in the description box right here. All you have to do is to click it and join our community, guys. You have a safe session, everyone. Click that link in my description box, and we are excited to learn a new term next week. Erwin, what are we learning next week?
Okay, next week's episodes, we're going to do It's Downhill From Here.
It's downhill from here. Okay, I haven't heard of that term. Have you guys heard of that term before?
No,
It's
not
downhill
yet.
Looks like
from here. Me too. So I'm very curious. Let us learn this term together. Thank you so much, everyone, and I'll see you guys on the next episode. Bye.